I'm Amy at EuroLuxHome.com, and I'd love to tell you a few details about this really nice antique Brittany table. It's our item number 26-52B, and it dates probably right about 1880, 1890, and has been completely hand carved in chestnut. It's a little lighter than some of the other Brittany pieces. A lot of Brittany pieces are very dark in color, and this one has more of a golden, warm, medium oak color, has a nice patina. The dimensions are 28.5 high by 50.25 wide and 45 inches deep. Now at 28.5 high, that's a bit low for a table. A lot of tables are standard around 30 inches high. So you could, if it's a little low for you, you could always have it raised by putting blocks or wheels underneath. So that's an option. But it is a very useful size. A lot of times people use these antique tables for a breakfast nook, or for, imagine playing cards at the table, putting it next to the fire. You could sit around and play chess or play poker. Just a really versatile size because it's a little smaller. So wherever you need a little table in your home. But the carvings are very nice. Now the Brittany region of France is the northwest corner, and that area, their economy is based on maritime activities, so a lot of times you'll see ship's wheels in the Brittany style. So if you come down and look here under the table, that is the prominent feature, is this ship's wheel right there in the middle. So imagine if you live on the lake or by the ocean, that would just be a really charming feature. And then I'll draw your attention to the legs. They have spiraling grapevines going around the legs, the little grapes and the little grape leaves, a big chunky foot, rounded feet. So the carvings are very nice. And then if you come and look, you see the table surface has beautiful wood graining, and there are miscellaneous scratches and dings to the top of the table. We do have a little bit of a wood separation here. We can fill that for you or not. We always leave things in original condition, and it all just depends on if you believe in cosmetic surgery. Some of us like to correct our wrinkles. Some want to just have them, all those crow's feet right there. So we leave things original, but we can always touch up things prior to shipping. So that's always an option. But we all have wrinkles as we age, so our antiques also have the little nicks and dings, scratches. That's just part of the character, the life that this table lived before it arrived in your home. If I can answer any additional questions for you about this very nice antique Brittany table, please feel free to give me a call at 803-276-4001. Remember that Eurolux Home includes free shipping within the continental US and some places in Canada. But let me know how you would use this table in your home in the comments below.